a tourist office is to know where is it. How can do this?
You can do it by going to this website.
Good morning. I'm not from this country. Could you tell me a good restaurant in this city?
Could you tell me where the Louvre Museum is located? I want to go to buy souvenirs. Could you tell me where are the shops? I don't know where the shops are. Can you give me the maps of the city to be able to locate me?
Would you know a place to go tonight?
We would like to learn about the culture of the city. What are the most known monuments of the city?
Good morning.
Good morning, what do you need?
We come to ask for information.
Yes, could you tell us where there is a good restaurant in the city?
Okay. Here you can eat very well. In the street Santa Maria, there are many restaurants that you would eat.
Great. To get there, can you give us a map of the city to be able to locate us and know how to go?
Yes. Take one.
Thank you.
We also want to have fun tonight. Would you know of some place to go out at night?
Okay. There is a pub called M´Antonia near the cathedral. There is a lot of atmosphere.
Great, thank you for information.
Bye.